Thinking about moving to the city of Fairfax? This small city packs a big punch. Great schools, parks, restaurants, and community events all wrapped up in a convenient location. And I know this one personally. My family has lived in Moseley Woods for almost 7 years, so I can tell you exactly what life here is like. People move to Fairfax for the location and the community feel. You're right in the middle of Northern Virginia, with quick access to 66, Route 50, and Route 29. Families love the schools and the family-friendly neighborhoods, while professionals love the easy commute to DC, Tysons, or Reston. You're also just a stone's throw away from Mosaic District, with its restaurants, coffee shops, and shopping. It's the kind of place where you can do date night, Saturday brunch, or just wander around and grab dessert. Fairfax City isn't for everyone though. Some people leave because housing can be pricey compared to farther out suburbs. Others want brand new homes or larger lots, which you'll find more of in Clifton or Fairfax Station. And yes, traffic along Route 50 and Route 29 is no one's idea of fun. If you want nightlife that goes past 10 p.m., Fairfax won't compete with Arlington or DC. Plenty of people settle here for decades because of the balance. City convenience with suburban comfort. The neighborhoods are close-knit, schools are strong, and community events are everywhere. Once you've been to Rock the Block concerts, the 4th of July parade, or just walk to your kids' practice at Draper Park, you realize Fairfax is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. A lot of people who grew up here move back when it's time to raise their own families. They come back for the schools, the safe neighborhoods, and the fact that Fairfax just has that hometown feel in the middle of a major metro area. There's a sense of community here that's hard to replace. But what are the housing prices like? The median home price in Fairfax City is around $750,000. Townhomes often range from $600,000 to $800,000, while single-family homes go from the high 700s into the $1.2 million plus range, depending on updates and location, of course. Condos are available too, starting in the 300s. In neighborhoods like Moseley Woods, which is where we live, you'll find split levels, colonials, and ramblers, many with updates, but still with that community feel you can put a price on. Overall cost of living is about 45% above the national average, which is right in line with the rest of Fairfax County. Housing is the biggest factor, while groceries, gas, and utilities are standard for Northern Virginia. But what are the top neighborhoods in the city of Fairfax specifically? Some of those popular neighborhoods in Fairfax City include Moseley Woods, known for its parades, social, and pool parties; Fairchester, with charming older homes; Old Lee Hills, close to Daniels Run Park and walkable to downtown; and Farcroft, which is gated and has newer luxury homes. Each has its own personality, whether you want classic charm or newer construction. Fairfax City schools are excellent and part of the Fairfax County public school system. Fairfax High School is a community anchor, and our family is there often for our son's football games. Elementary schools like Daniels Run and Providence are popular. Many families move here specifically for the school quality. Commuting from Fairfax is straightforward. You're right off 66, close to Route 50, Route 29, and Fairfax County Parkway. The Vienna Metro is nearby if you'd rather skip the traffic and ride into DC. By car, you're about 25 to 30 minutes to Tysons, 30 to 35 to DC, and 20 to Reston. Just remember, rush hour traffic is very real here, so test drive your commute before buying. Lifestyle is one of Fairfax City's biggest perks. My kids play soccer and football through FPYC, the Fairfax Police and Youth Club, and we can walk to Draper Park for practices. Games are right at Fairfax High School, which makes things easy. There are multiple parks throughout the city, great restaurants, and you're minutes from Mosaic District for shops, dining, and entertainment. Fairfax also does community right. Parades, Rock the Block concerts, holiday events, and pool parties in the neighborhoods like Moseley Woods bring everyone together. Fairfax continues to grow with downtown redevelopment projects, new restaurants, and ongoing updates to parks and community spaces. It's a city that manages to keep its small town charm while adding new amenities every year. Now let's quickly review some of the pros and cons. Central location, excellent schools, strong sense of community, tons of family-friendly events, great access to shopping and dining, and neighborhoods with real character. On the negative side, traffic along major routes, housing prices above national average, fewer brand new homes compared to outer suburbs, limited nightlife, and slightly higher cost of living. So, is Fairfax your next move? If you want a community-focused lifestyle with strong schools, family activities, and central access to everything Northern Virginia has to offer, Fairfax could be the perfect fit. Hit that like button and subscribe. I cover Fairfax County neighborhoods every week. And if Fairfax City is on your radar, reach out at soldbysharmane.com. I'd love to help you find your next home and maybe see you at a Friday night football game at Fairfax High.